Today, we are going to be learning how to make banana muffins. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. What you want to do is line your pan with baking cups. I am going to be baking muffins for this recipe. You can use a loaf pan if you want. It's up to you on this recipe. You can do it either or. First, we're gonna do the wet ingredients. We have 3 bananas. You'll wanna use the bananas when they're starting to turn brown. So peel your bananas and put them into your bowl. Once your bananas are in the bowl, you're gonna use a potato masher. It's really useful in mashing them, so that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna mash them. If the banana oozes through and sticks to the potato masher, use a spatula to get the banana back into the bowl. Add a half teaspoon of pure vanilla. 3/4 cup sugar. And we have 1 egg. Last but not least, 1/4 cup of cooking oil. Mix well. Now, the dry ingredients. We have 1.5 cups of flour. We have here a mixture of 1/4 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, and 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder. So pour that all in, whisk well. Now, once everything is mixed together, we're gonna put in the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients, all at once. Once the wet ingredients are in the dry ingredients, you are going to mix well and make sure you do not over mix because it will become dense. Now, we are going to put our batter into our muffin containers. We have this kitchen scoop and it's equal to 1/2 tablespoon. So if you don't have this, you can use a 1.5 tablespoon. But we are using this because it is going to help us equally put it into each spot. Okay, now into the oven. You're gonna put them in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes. If you decide to do a loaf, you'll do it for 50 to 60 minutes. We just took them out of the oven and they're a little golden brown on the top. And so what you want to do is gonna cool them a little in the pan, and then you're gonna cool them the rest of the way on a cooling rack. They have cooled on the cooling rack for a while, and now I am going to taste them. For the moment of truth, how does it taste? Like I feel like this part is crunchy. And then it's soft in the middle, and it's like really good. The vanilla made it really good. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, watch this playlist right here to see all the things I have baked on my YouTube channel. Bye!